Thank you for visiting our website. Here are some tips to make placing your order easy for you. To begin, create an account to get started with placing an order or requesting quotes. Here's how. First, click Login, then click Create Account and fill in your details. You'll get a confirmation email once approved. If you can't find it, remember to check your spam or junk folder, as emails can sometimes wind up there. Follow the instructions in the email to finish creating your account. If you forget your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it by email. You can update your info in My Account, and your dashboard allows you to view your list of orders and quotes. If you have any account access issues at any time, please contact customer service and we'll be glad to help. To log out, select Log Out in the upper right corner. To begin the ordering process, log into your account or create a new account. Once you're in, click the yellow Shop Now button, browse the Products section, or enter product information to search. If you can't find a product, contact us. We're here to help. Add items to your cart and follow the checkout steps. No quote required. If you prefer a quote, add products to your quote list in the quote section of your account, then submit the request. We'll follow up with pricing. We accept major credit cards including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. You will see your order in your account. You will also receive a confirmation email for both orders and quotes. Remember to check your spam folder. Thank you so much for ordering from TC Wilson. We look forward to helping you work smarter.